Hi, welcome back to my prison cell. Today we are going to be making college. We're gonna be cooking, but college dorm style. It's currently 3 a.m. Anyways, I quite literally have not eaten in 2 days. I wish I were exaggerating, but because depression, and then I'm on my period, so I'm not hungry, and I just So obviously, because it's 3 a.m., the college diner is literally not open. So we're going to be making this mac and cheese, and then I'm probably gonna eat something else. Ooh, why do I have one open? Are you ready? Are you ready? Bro, I feel so fucking sick, but it's probably because I haven't eaten. Anyways, I know it's dirty, but listen, priority right now is to eat. Oh my god, it's stuck. Am I disgusting? Yes, but we already knew this. Open. I'm not stupid. Well, yes I am. Let's get some fucking water. By the way, this is everything I'm eating today. It's gonna be cooked in the microwave because, bro, it's a college dorm. I think I wanna buy some fucking I wanna buy some cinnamon rolls. I literally so I'm just adding enough water so that the mac and cheese is covered. And then now we're gonna go put it in the microwave. Do you wanna come with me? You can come with me. Ow, fuck! These fucking rocking chairs, bro. Man, my room looks so fucking ugly. Guys, I'm so tired of this bullshit. You know, I kind of feel bad because I literally walk around in just my underwear, and I think I'm the only one who does that. But see, I rarely wear pants unless I'm actually going outside. So, okay, we're gonna put this in for 1 minute and 45 seconds. Fucking, oh my god, bro, okay, while that is cooking for 1 minute and 45, I do it in half intervals because, oh my gosh, it's dark, I'm sorry. There we go. I do it in half intervals purely because my bowl is small. Oh my god, my tummy. Okay, while that is cooking, I'm gonna have some fruit snacks because I don't have any other snack. Guys, make sure you take care of yourselves. Bro, I swear to god. I would check myself into the mental hospital, but I have things to do. Bro, I feel so fucking woozy. I betcha I'm gonna have massive diarrhea later. This always happens. I like accidentally don't eat for a couple days, and then I eat, and then fucking diarrhea. I'm sorry if that was TMI, but whatever. After I eat the mac and cheese, I'm gonna show you guys how I eat Asian food while stuck at a fucking here. By the way, these are the best gummy bears I've ever had. Like, better than fucking Haribo. Black Forest gummies slap so fucking hard. I hope you guys are doing well, because I'm not. Guys, oh, I think I hear it. Is it done? Jesus, that's hot as fuck. That's my snot rag, by the way. Ugh. Okay, so as you can see, it is cooked. See, whenever I'm like, I should clean my bowl, I remember, like, well, the microwave kills off all the germs, right? Just kidding. It's my own cooties. I don't really give a shit. Anyways. Guys, I think we should... I'm so sexy. Bro, I'm way too sexy to be this fucking sad. Oh, man. Oh, do I need water a little more? Fuck. Don't do that to me. Let me just get a little bit of water. Do you want to see the mixing process? Oh, fuck. Bro, I'm just... Yum. You know, I applied for monetization from YouTube, but, like, I'm fucking terrified that they're, like, as strict as TikTok. And they're, like... and they're gonna be like, you talk about wanting to die too much. You are not... Yeah. And then I'm like, but Shane Dawson still has a platform. I have no idea if he's monetized though. I just bro, I wish I had milk. I wish I had a fridge. If I had a fridge, I would like, I feel like I would eat so much more often if I had a fridge. I know, I need to fucking eat. Kylie, you need to fucking eat. I know. Did I talk about how my fucking Facebook got hacked? Fucking bitch changed my fucking password and email and phone number and like stupid ass. And then he Facebook messaged my uncle. And then my uncle was like, how's school? And then fucking bitch, he's like, it's a foreign guy because he the typos and all that shit. And then my uncle's like, if this is Kylie, what's your mom's nickname? I have no idea what he said after that, but and then come to find out, this bitch is also adding random fucking people and messaging them, pretending to be me. What am I have no idea how to fucking fix that, but I really need y'all to get off my fucking ass. Like, ugh. Okay. Sorry. Bro, it really does look like I'm in prison. At least I have my own room. Oh my gosh, I'm so afraid for having diarrhea later. Because I know it's coming. I'm also on my period. And you know how period shits are. You know, I love you guys. I think, honestly, the internet's the only thing keeping me somewhat sane, which is both bad and good. Because honestly, if the internet never existed, I would probably just be reading books all day. I don't know which one's better. I keep reiterating the fact that I'm so sexy, but like, fucking shut the fuck up, Kylie. Everybody knows. Oh, I'm planning on, sorry. I'm planning on, I need to gain weight. That's like one of the big, I'm fucking severely underweight. It's really bad because, you know, depression and no appetite. And also I'm on my period, so that's why I didn't eat for the past 2 fucking days. I'm gonna exercise. I'm gonna gain muscle. I'm gonna gain an ass. I hope that wasn't a gang sign. I was trying to do a middle finger and then it didn't help. It'd be amazing if I could start making money from like making videos, because like I was doing that on TikTok, right? I was making a lot of money, but then they keep fucking banning me because my fucking haters hate me. So yeah, if I could just do that on YouTube. You know, this fucking thing on the ceiling is bothering me so fucking much. What the fuck is this? You know what? I'm gonna finish my mac and cheese and then I'm gonna switch to the next meal that I'm gonna show you. That's my next college meal. Okay. Microwavable rice. Fucking game changer. Especially because, ooh, I'm sorry, I just flashed you. What is it? Oh yeah, here you're not allowed to have any heat problem. Don't bring the heat, whatever the fuck. So that's why that's the only reason why I don't have like a rice cooker, an air fryer, and everything under the sun. So first I'm gonna just open it, and then you heat it up for like 2 minutes, right? I'm sorry. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I'm gonna go heat it up and then I'll be right back. Okay. Okay, so I just heated it up. No, I'm just gonna, oh, fuck, ow! It's a little hot. Be careful, guys. Just kidding. Ow, oh my god, my fucking tummy. I'm afraid it's starting, guys. If I suddenly have to fucking rush to go diarrhea. Ow, fucking bitch. You're a fucking asshole. Fucking, okay. Okay. All right, let's see what we got. We got some, I'm sorry about that. That was really disgusting. I'm sorry. So I've got, I wish I had chopsticks. Ooh, I do have chopsticks. I have chopsticks right here. I'm going to be reusing these for the next month. I know. Shut up. You don't need to tell me. I know I'm gross. Ooh, this is my deodorant. Okay. Oh, by the way, I got rid of my ants. The ant problem. Oh, what was I gonna do? I have curry. Oh, I'm too lazy to heat it up though. Okay. Oh yeah, that's another thing. If you guys really like Japanese curry, like these things, you just pop them in the microwave and then you pour it on the rice. It's so fucking good. Oh, where? Sorry, excuse my period panties. Okay, so I have favorite that and this. I'm gonna have to use the communal refrigerator. Hello, it's editing Kylie. So this, now I remember why I never uploaded this video. It's currently June, by the way, and I filmed that like when I was in school in April. It's because I lost footage. That's why I never. Okay, so yeah, after that, I basically heated stuff up, and then there's one more clip after this where I'm just like, look, mac and cheese, this is only $6. Not $6. Wait, was it? Yeah, $6. $6 on Amazon or something. And that was basically it. Yeah, I ate my food. I don't remember if I had diarrhea or not, but like that was it. Yeah, now I remember why, because I'm so stupid. Like, I do everything on my phone. I literally, I don't even edit my videos. I just cut them. I put them in iMovie and I cut them. That's it. I don't know how to edit. Okay, bye. Oh my god. Okay. As I was saying, these are only $6 on Amazon and it's got 18. And it's better than the little cups, you know, because save the environment. But anyway, yeah, if you're a college student and you're fucking bad at going to the diner and you like midnight snacks, this shit slaps. Anyways, I'll see you in my next video, which is probably literally gonna be like tomorrow because I'm fucking going and fucking insane and I'm